All right, guys. So here today we're working on this Massey 1734 baler. I picked up a new part this week because this actuator hasn't completely gone out, but it's getting really weak. I may try to rebuild this motor at some point, but we're in the middle of hay season, so unclip that, and then already done this bolt here. We'll see if we can. It's like 100 degrees already. We're trying to get this done before it gets hot. Get us a persuasion. Okay. That bolt is out. So there's a washer that goes underneath of it. Give this little liquid courage, and I bet y'all can't even see that. Right there. We're having trouble getting that out, but worst case scenario, I drop every tool I got. They don't make it easy to get to, that's for sure. I'll revise this. OSHA's not watching. I have gloves and safety squints on. There we go. Here's the new part. Looks identical. They're proud of them. This sucker was expensive. You got a washer that goes underneath, and then a bolt that goes. Got a controller. There's just a positive and a negative on it. I'm not telling you what to do, but a pigtail like this that plugs in with two little wires works really well. I'm not telling you what to do. Get in there. Okay. If I can ever get it started. Tell you what, there's no better place than Harbor Freight. You get a whole assortment of these. I actually price these out at Harbor Freight versus like Lowe's and other places. And these are actually a whole lot cheaper, and you get more of them. So shout out Harbor Freight for giving us a variety. Go in there. And I'll cut that off. We're gonna go plug this in. Give this a zip tie. And I bet the zip tie's not long enough. Oh, it kind of is. It's close. Yeah, what you heard fall. Okay, so that's done. Replace quick and easy. And yes, it fell apart, and now I gotta pick them all up.